Parents and my loving student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our Paradise official YouTube channel. So today I am here to discuss about nursery class sketchbook working. So today we will draw a cat. Students, how to draw a cat? Learn, full watch this video and learn from this. Firstly, we will draw a small circle for cat face. Then we will draw a big circle for cat belly. Got it? Okay, students. Now, now we will draw cat eyes with the help of dots. Very good. Okay, got it. Now we will draw nose with the help of triangle. And now we will draw mochis. Both sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Students, now we will draw ears with the help of M. Got it? Now we will draw cat's tail with the help of shape Al-Madda. And then this. Okay, students, got it? Have you done? Hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.